I wanted to use analytics essentially to figure out some of the use cases that had been presented to me during one of my research, and that's where I stepped into the whole humdrum of analytics with Great Lakes. My name is Zulfiqaar. I am a cloud solutions architect working with the organization called Zensar Technologies. I'm a graduate in nanoscience and nanotechnology, and I wanted to use analytics essentially to figure out some of the use cases that had been presented to me during one of my research, and that's where I stepped into the whole humdrum of analytics with Great Lakes. Like somebody mentioned during the panel discussion, what stood out for me, and I didn't realize this during the course, but then eventually, was the fact that we dealt with a lot of basics during the course, right? It was not based on things that were already existing in the environment. Like, let's say, for example, pre-built algorithms, and we were not talking about how those algorithms are currently being used, but we looked at why and how of a solution, and that's what helped me even today, in fact, because for me, when I look at an issue, a problem, it's more at the basic level rather than being on top. So identify what's the root cause and then take it from there. What I would tell anybody who's younger and trying to, or rather is pursuing analytics, the first thing I would tell them is see if this is something that you want to do. If you have an analytic mindset, if you do, go ahead, get on top of the internet, because you have everything that's available, everything that you need to know about how to do, what to do, where to do. It's all available there, and there are great resources as well. So my 2 bits would be identify if this is something that permits your mindset. And the second one is obviously utilize all the knowledge that's available.